नमस्कार मित्रों, मेरा नाम है रियान।
मेरा नाम है अनायरा।
और आज हम आपके लिए लेके आए हैं जो आप कभी मिस नहीं करना चाहते,
क्योंकि डीपीएस बालोतरा में कभी बोर होने का चांस ही नहीं मिलता है।
Exactly,
I'm telling all of us.
this is
DPS Prime Time.
Hello and welcome. DPS Balotra hosted an inter-house debate competition for classes 9th and 11th on December 3rd, 2024. Students impressed everyone with their critical thinking, research and confident public speaking. Each house brought unique energy, making the event both competitive and inspiring. Let us hear some feedback from the students.
This competition was very good experience for me. I learned a lot and gained confidence. Participating in this event allowed me to test my skills and push my boundaries. The support and feedback I received from my peers and mentors were invaluable.
I love debating and this competition gave me a platform where I could express my views. It was great to meet others who love debating too. This experience made me feel better at sharing my ideas and listening to different opinions.
I was initially nervous, but the supportive environment and the guidance of our teacher helped me overcome my fear. This competition has helped me overcoming my vocabulary skills and my public speaking skills. Thank you.
The opportunity to debate on such diverse topic was truly inspiring. It broadened my perspective and made me appreciate on different viewpoints.
DPS Balotra is proud to provide such enriching opportunities for our students. We look forward to many more exciting events in the future.
DPS Balotra recently organized a workshop on modern parenting featuring expert psychologist Mrs. Meenu Barkau. She shared some valuable tips and strategies to help parents navigate the challenges of raising the children in today's world. The event, attended by the parents from diverse backgrounds and focused on building stronger connection with children and fostering emotional intelligences.
Principal Mrs. Rachna Bakshi also addressed the attendees, emphasizing the need for parents to adapt to changing parenting dynamics. The workshop was a great success, equipping parents with practical tools to nurture their children effectively. Parents appreciated the workshop, finding the tips helpful for understanding their children's needs and building stronger relationships. Let's hear some feedbacks from the parents.
And I would like to thank the DPS staff and ma'am that they had conducted such a lovely and great workshop. इस भागा दौड़ में अगर हम अपने बच्चों को टाइम दे रहे हैं और वो भी टीचर्स के थ्रू, तो ये बहुत अच्छी बात है कि हम पेरेंट्स होके भी हमें भी कोई गाइड कर रहा है. बच्चों को तो गाइड करते ही हैं टीचर, पर अब हम पेरेंट्स को भी गाइड कर रहे हैं. एंड इट वाज अ वेरी ग्रेट जॉब टू द होल DPS. और इस मॉडर्न ज़माने में ऐसे टेक्नोक बच्चों के साथ कैसे टैकल करना, उसके लिए ये पेरेंटिंग मीटिंग, ये वर्कशॉप बहुत ज़रूरी था. और मैं इसके लिए बहुत 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 शुक्रगुजार हूँ मैम की, प्रिंसिपल मैम की, बोर्ड डायरेक्टर्स और द होल DPS स्टाफ की. थैंक यू.
First of all, we would like to thanks DPS management to arrange such a nice session for parents, so that they can think of what is their part to be done by them for better parenting of their children.
DPS Balotra recently celebrated its Fitness Week held from December 16 to December 21st of 2024, bringing together students and staff for a week full of fun, fitness and learning. This week featured a wide range of activities promoting mental wellness, physical fitness and creative expression.
Day 1 Fitness Week Kickoff. A healthy start on December 16. Fitness Week began at DPS Balotra with the morning assembly, where the students took a pledge to stay healthier lives. The principal gave a speech encouraging everyone to focus on their health. Dr. Vikram Singh shared some tips regarding staying healthy, eating healthy and following a good daily routine. His talk inspired everyone to take care about their health.
फिटनेस वीक के दूसरे दिन 17 दिसंबर को स्टूडेंट्स ने फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज और टीम स्पोर्ट्स में भाग लिया. इस दिन स्टूडेंट्स ने इंटर हाउस वॉलीबॉल मैच में भी भाग लिया, जहां खेल भावना और टीम वर्क का शानदार प्रदर्शन हुआ. इसके अलावा हर्डल रेस, सैक रेस, रिले रेस और टग ऑफ वॉर जैसी प्रतियोगिता भी आयोजित की गई, जो स्टूडेंट्स के फिजिकल कौशल की ओर एक चुनौती थी. फिटनेस वीक के और अपडेट्स के लिए हमारे साथ जुड़े रहिए. धन्यवाद.
the DPS Balotra continue its fitness week with exciting events like dance-a-thon and a poster-making competition. The students enjoy these fun activities while promoting challenges with healthy living. The day was a great way to encourage everybody to stay active and embrace wellness.
On day 4 of Fitness Week, the school was honored to welcome Sister Brahmakumari Ashmita for an insightful session on meditation and spiritual well-being. Her words reminded everyone of the power of inner peace and its role in achieving a balanced and harmonious life. The session beautifully emphasized that mental wellness is just as crucial as physical fitness, leaving the students and staff motivated to embrace practices that lead to overall health and mindfulness. With such meaningful events, DPS Balotra's Fitness Week is proving to be an enriching journey towards holistic development and well-being.
DPS Balotra celebrated Day 5 of its Fitness Week with a vibrant fitness carnival held on December 20th. The students participated enthusiastically in fun games and activities, promoting physical fitness and teamwork amongst them in a lively atmosphere. The event highlighted the importance of staying active while fostering energy and camaraderie between participants. The day was full of fun, learning, excitement, and a step towards holistic development.
DPS Balotra has celebrated the grand finale of its much-awaited Fitness Week with an excitement and action day full of activities. This event has helped to promote mental agility and physical fitness.
The success of this event has led the school to announce that the Fitness Week will now an annual tradition, which help in to build a foster culture for active and healthy living with the school community.
DPS Balotra hosted a Halloween party for nursery to grade 2nd students. Kids enjoy with a creative costume, decorative pumpkins, making craft and playing games. The event was filled with fun, laughter and treats. It was a memorable day for all. Thank you.
Hi tech fans, welcome to DPS Prime Time. Today we are talking about top 5 AI tools that are super popular in 2024. These tools can make your work easier, save time, even help you to come up with cool ideas. Whether you are a student or a professional or curious about AI, there is something here for everyone. So let's dive in and explore those amazing tools. ChatGPT OpenAI, a versatile AI tool that generates content ideas, draft articles, write scripts, and even help you in research tasks. Next is Copilot with Bing Search, gives you detailed answer and real-time info from Bing Search. It's like having an encyclopedia at your fingertips. At number 3, Perplexity AI. It mixes AI with web search and gives you instant results. Canva Magic Studio, AI features in Canva that assist in generating visuals, video editing and creating content blended effortlessly. Last but not the least, Grammarly Go, an advanced AI writing assistant that helps students to improve their grammar, structure and creativity in their essays and assignments. That's all for today's tech news. Thanks for watching DPS Prime Time.
आपको हमारा DPS Prime Time सेगमेंट कैसा लगा? अपना ओपिनियन #DPS Prime Time में कमेंट करके जरूर बताएं.
That's all for today.
We will meet you in next episode. So stay tuned. Namaskar.